Voice zone objects are areas where audio and video sharing will take place. These objects are normally invisible to you and your users. Only users inside a particular voice zone can hear, share, and communicate with other users in that zone. When you are inside an isolated voice zone, such as an office, you will no longer hear voice chat taking place in the global zone. When you approach the edge of a voice zone, a transparent blue boundary indicator will appear. This serves as a convenient reminder that you are leaving a voice zone, or that you need to enter a voice zone in order to speak with users located on the other side. If you launch the region editor in an area that contains breakout areas or other voice zones, you will see these boundary objects highlighted in transparent green. In the region editor UI, there are two specialized tools you will use while editing voice zones. Clicking the Reset Zones button will refresh all of the voice zones within the region, pushing forward any changes you have made. Clicking the Visibility button will toggle the transparent green boundary object highlighting on and off. In addition to the prefab breakout areas included in your starter bundle of room items, you will receive two customizable voice zones with no additional building or seat components attached to them. You can find them in the furniture section of your inventory window. These items are called Breakroom Voice Zone and Breakroom Voice Zone Round. Here in the region editor, you can see that we've set out a copy of the Breakroom Voice Zone object. This voice zone is shaped like a cube. Here we've set out the Breakroom Voice Zone Round object, which is shaped like a sphere. The transparent green walls indicate the voice zone's size and boundaries. Both voice zones contain other components, such as a screen, cameras, and a landing pad.